Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love this Fanttik Fold V10 Ultra Deluxe. Reason number 1 is it's really powerful, which I'm going to show you here in a second. Reason number 2 is I can press this button and I can move that into any direction I want for easy reach. It's got a built-in crevice tool. Now reason number 3 is it has a base that will charge it. So it comes with the power adapter. All you do is simply plug this in. You're going to fold it all the way and simply put it on the base. That's going to charge it. But let's say you're somewhere and say you're out in the garage or something and you're far away from your base, but you need to charge it. You can also charge it with USB-C. So as long as you've got a USB-C cable handy, you can get this all charged up, ready to go. So 2 ways of charging it, but let's see how well it vacuums. Okay, it's easy to operate. You're going to turn it on. We've got 2 modes of operation. I'm going to turn it on high. Wow, it's really powerful. Built-in crevice tool. And I like all the attachments. Okay, now when you're all done, simply take it to the trash can, open this lever, and all the dirt and debris are going to come out. Again, there is a filter once in a while. You do have to clean the filters, but it is super easy to clean. Take the attachment off. We're going to store it. And again, you can charge it with the dock or USB-C. Hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.